Detroit Fire Department time is 12:29 hours. Second alarm at 20541 Southfield. Second alarm at 20541 Southfield at 8 Mile. Fire reporting an occupied apartment building. Fire scene 4 for the second alarm.
Engine 30, you're picking up ladder 17. You report you find nothing. We have you in service 622. Ladder 17, you may go in service.
Look for ladder 17, sir.
Ladder 17 in service.
Central Engine 56 back in first alarm.
Engine 56 back in your first alarm district. Engine 40, you may go in service, picked up by EMS, Engine 40.
Engine 56 en route.
Engine 56 en route to the still alarm 20240.
Squad 1 en route.
Engine 57 on route.
Engine 57 en route.
Engine 42 en route.
Engine 42 en route.
Ladder 26 en route.
Ladder 26 en route.
Central Engine 53, we're in service 321. We'll take that, hon.
Engine 53 in service. 321, we have you en route to the box alarm 20541 Southfield.
Don't do something bad. You're going to respond to that box.
Engine 42, you may go on service. Engine 42. Affirmative, Engine 30.
Squad 4 en route.
Engine 30 en route. Squad 4 en route.